How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna talk about how we can fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on an Android device. So let's get started, but before that I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So without any further delay, just get started. So the very first thing you can do is just go to the Wi-Fi settings. For that you need to go to your settings onto your device. After going here, you will be able to see the connections option. Just tap on it and tap on Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the network you are connected to and tap on View More. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you can see this metered network option. Just tap on it and choose Detect Automatically. If you are on any other options, just tap on Detect Automatically and see this option called Auto Reconnect. Just make sure that is turned on. So the next thing we can do is just go to the main settings. For that, just go back and just go scroll down a bit. After that, make sure you have the developer options turned on. Just tap on that option and just scroll down a bit until you get to networking. Here you will be able to see the option called Wi-Fi scan throttling. Just make sure this option is turned on. If it is turned up, just tap on this toggle option and turn it on. And another thing is the mobile data always active. If this is turned on, just make sure to turn it off. After that, the next thing we can do is see if that your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on your phone is fixed or not. If that issue doesn't fix, then what you can do is just restart your device and hopefully that method will work. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is just go to your settings again and here go to About Phone. After that, go to the reset option and here you will be able to see the reset networking settings. Just tap on reset settings and your Wi-Fi on your phone will be reset. So therefore, these are the ways on how you can fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on Android. Hopefully this method works for you. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful to you.